Hello grade 1, welcome back to the Julie phonics lesson. Today we will have the B sound. How many days are there in the week? Yes, 7 days. What are they? Can you say with me? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Very good. So, what's the day today, grade 1? Today is... Here we have the goals and aims of the lesson. Revise previous sounds, story of the sound, song and action, letter formation, blending words, and last, segmenting words.
Sounds. Now we're going to start with group 1. Group 1 starts with S, A, T, I, P, N. Group 2 now. K, E, R, N, D. Group 3. G, O, A, L.
Granny is looking after Bill and his baby brother Ben. They go for a walk in the park. First they meet Vaz, who is blowing bubbles. Then they watch the boats on the lake. Granny stops to listen to the band playing. She finds a bench to sit down on, and soon she and baby Ben are dozing in the sun. Bill sees his friend Rob. Rob has a box of bats and balls to play with. They find some more of their friends and have a game of baseball. Bill throws the ball. As the bat hits the ball, it goes "buh." The ball just misses the birds in the tree. They all fly off, chirping at the boys. Then it is Betty's turn. She bashes the ball as hard as she can. It just misses Granny, but bounces and hits the bench. Granny and baby Ben wake up. "I think I should keep a safe distance from the baseball," says Granny, as she pushes Ben on the path at the side of the boating lake.
Ba, ba, ba.
Bring your bat and bring your ball back, back. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
Now, letter formation. How many lines do we have in English, grade 1? Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And here we have a giraffe. So the P sound is a giraffe. Letter. Can you see the head and leg of the giraffe? So we write it in lines 1 and 3. Let's start. We start from line number 1. Down, up, round. ما نرفع القلم. Down, up, round. Again, down, up, round. Last one, down, up, round. Very good. Now, grade 1, do you remember this sound? Who can remind me? What sound is it? Very good. It's what? P. And this is the new sound B. So the P and B is very close sounds. They are very, very close. So we need to differentiate between them carefully. صوتين جدا متقاربات. نحتاج أن نفرق بينهم بطريقة جدا دقيقة ومهمة. Now, look at this video. Here we have the P sound. This is what? P. Look at the video.
P sound. Apple.
Yeah, so did you notice that the p sound, the air come out of the mouth? P. But look at the b sound. Can you see the video?
Sound. Ba, 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 brown, ba, blue.
Yeah, so there's no air come from the mouth. So, as you saw, the tissue in P goes out, but in B, it doesn't move. Now, grade 1, we have another two sounds which look the same. The B sound and the D sound, they are the same in shape but in different direction. نفس الشكل باتجاهين مختلفين. Our new sound is B. Look at this picture. شوفوا هذه الصورة. We have here a bat, then a ball. إذا المضرب وأمامه الكرة. So always remember when you write the B sound, bat and ball. مضرب وأمامه الكرة. And look at the hand we have here. Can you see the action? We have two hands together. نضع الكفين اليد جنب بعض بهذه الحركة. So this is B and this is D. شايفين؟ The left hand is B and the right hand is D. اليسار B واليمين D بنفس شكل اليد. And look at here, the same action, نفس الحركة. اليدين نفس الشيء. And here we have a picture of bed. إذا عشان نربط فيها نتذكر always remember bed. سرير bed bed. So b d start with b ends with d. تبدأ بالباء وتنتهي ب d bed. مع حركة اليد عشان نتذكر الشكل bed. إذا من اليسار بدينا b and last one d bed. Now, my lovely students, let's blend the b sound with the vowels. Do you remember the vowels? حروف العلة. To be a rocket reader, try to blend more than one sound. هدفنا إيش؟ نصير rocket reader سريعين في القراءة. So we need to blend more sounds. نحاول نقرأ أكبر عدد من الأصوات مع بعض في نفس الوقت. So can you do with me the b with a? Ba. With E, B. With E, B. With O, bo. With A, ba. Very good. Now, let's move to the words. With ba, we said bad. With B, we say big. With B, bed. With bo, bog. With ba, but. Well done, grade 1. Now, my rocket readers, are you ready to read some words? Let's go. Ba, bus, lap, bat, best, bug, bag, bank, bin, bulb, belt, grub, grab, crib, crab, nap, cap, cup, sub, bum, gob, mob, Top, top, rub, cub, bud. And now, grade 1, it's time for segmenting and breaking down words into sounds. The first word is but. How many sounds does but has? Can you tell me? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 sounds. What are they? But, but. Very good. Next, we have grab. How many sounds does it have? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. 4 sounds. What are they? We start with g, r, a, b. Grab. The last word is bit. It has 3 sounds. What are they? Number 1, b, 2, I, 3, t, bit. Well done, grade 1. Now, grade 1, are you a super speller? Can you spell any word I tell you correctly? Now, we will see. تعطوني spelling صحيح ولا لا? We have here a picture of bus. Bus. It has 3 sounds. Bus. So the first 2 sounds, ba. Number 1 is b, and the second one with ba, a. Very good. And the last sound is in bus. Well done. The second word is bed. Bed. So the first 2 sounds b. Number 1, b. Number 2, e. B. Bed. So the last sound is, can you tell me? Well done. D. Bravo, grade 1. Brilliant. Now, grade 1, we have a short task. Look at here. What letters are these? These are vowels. Very good. E, A, I, O, A. So, now we have here 5 pictures. Listen to the word and tell me what is the middle missing vowel. Number 1, dog. 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 So the missing vowel is O. Very good. Number 2, we have pen. 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 So the missing vowel is E. Pe. Pen. Well done. Number 3, we have bat. 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 So after B, we have A. Excellent. Bat. Number 4, grade 1, we have pig. 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 P. So what comes after P sound? P. I. Well done. So pig. And the last one, my lovely student, bus. 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 So after B, we have A. Well done. Bus. Now we reach the last point, grade 1. Open your phonics booklet and write the B sound in your phonics booklet with a nice handwriting and correct way. Thank you and goodbye.